Thank you for shaping my life. Thank you for teaching me all you can. You are no ordinary man, oh no, no. You make me everything I am. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you for showing me the way. Thank you for being there when I needed you. Thank you for every single day. Now I've been blessed with some kids of my own. Got my own bedtime stories to tell. If I can raise them half as well as you raised me, guess I'll be doing pretty well. Thank you for your guiding hand. Thank you